In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Redshift proxy files in Cinema 4D. If your viewport slows to a crawl in dense scenes, Redshift proxies are a simple, reliable fix. A proxy saves complex geometry into a compact .rs file on disk and only loads the full detail when you render. In the viewport, you'll see a lightweight preview, so you can orbit, select, and animate without the usual lag. Let's begin with the export. Prepare the geometry you want to offload and make sure it's in the state you intend to reuse. With it selected, go to File, Export, and choose Redshift Proxy. Pick a clean location, give the file a descriptive name, and confirm the export. This creates a standalone .rs file that encapsulates the geometry, ready to be dropped into any scene without dragging along all the original objects. Now bring that proxy into your scene. You have two straightforward options. The first is to create a proxy container by going to Create Redshift Proxy. This adds a Redshift Proxy object to your object manager. In its attributes, point it to the .rs file you just saved, and the link is established. The second option is to import the .rs file directly by dragging it into the viewport or using your operating system's file dialog. Either approach associates the proxy with your scene, so it behaves like a normal object while remaining extremely light. Position, rotate, and scale the proxy as needed. The viewport may display a simplified mesh or bounding representation. Don't worry, that's intentional. At render time, Redshift reads the .rs file and swaps in the full geometry, so you get the detail you expect without sacrificing interactivity while you work. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Keep your .rs files in a consistent project folder and use clear versioned names to avoid confusion. If you collaborate or move projects between machines, organizing proxies in a shared assets directory helps paths resolve cleanly. You can reference the same .rs file multiple times in a scene to populate environments efficiently, which is great for repeating elements like foliage, kit bash parts, or set dressing. Many artists keep the original high poly objects disabled or archived after export to reduce clutter, relying on the proxy for day-to-day work, then rendering with confidence. That's the workflow in a nutshell. Export your heavy geometry as a Redshift proxy, then reference the .rs file in Cinema 4D via a Redshift proxy object or by importing the file directly. You'll keep your viewport responsive, your memory usage lean, and your renders perfectly accurate.